Once again, special credit to Cyclone Joker JT. Welcome to Nick Thomas TV, my beautiful viewers. And we're looking at a huge, it's an unidentified flying object. That's the chopper right there to the, a chopper surfing it, by the way. It's right over there in the clouds. It's a sheriff chopper. This happened in California, August 28th. A week ago, a few days ago, a little bit over a week, but it's a great footage. I just want to bring this to your attention. And once again, all my social media links in the comment section, video description section. You can always click on the link and follow me there, Facebook, Instagram, so forth. Thank you guys for tuning in, and to all my new viewers to my channel, subscribe for daily uploads. Once again, credit Cyclone Joker JT. Thank you for the thank you for giving me permission to use your video. Amazing footage. Take a look. There it is, folks.
He's just hovering, dude. He's just hovering.
We're gonna zoom in a little bit. Objects above the cloud, chopper to the right of it. Once again, if you're new to my channel, go ahead, subscribe for daily uploads. Welcome to Nick Thomas TV. My beautiful viewers, thank you guys for all your support. There's the chopper now leaving, or actually circling around it. Getting a little bit closer.
He's right under here. Look, they're getting close to it.